Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So here we have our next car from the last lot, and this is a Rolomatic Matchbox Rolomatic Police Arm Petrol, and this is, I believe, a Land Rover 1975, 6, 5. Not bad shape, and I never done a Rolomatic before, so I hope I can fix the mechanism inside so the siren will work properly. I think I will refurbish the wheels. I don't have spare wheels, to be honest, but as long as the wheels are alright, I will always refurbish them. And I'll see what I might paint this white again, but I might try to put some stickers on as police or something. So let's get started with this one. So here we have our Land Rover finished, ready for assemble. So I did clean up everything and polish up the windscreen, which didn't come up too nice. So I think I need to get some floor polish, and I need to try that as well, as I've seen it from other guys on YouTube, and it looks actually pretty well. I did touch up the wheels, so they're nice and black and silver. The bottom, the base, again I painted with aluminium, and I'm really happy with that. I think it looks fantastic, rather than the black or the plain bare metal. And I have the body finished. I think this white looks really good, and this is another fine job from Stuart to bring me these stickers with the police on. Thank you very much. I think this makes the car look so good. I'm really happy for these stickers. I picked them up today. Thank you very much, Stuart. Another fine job. So I can't wait to put the car together and see how does it look. So let's crack on. So here we go, wheels are in position. And should be just a click and one screw in this one. So here we have our police petrol finished. I'm really happy with this car. I think it looks fantastic. This sticker makes the car look so good. I'm really happy. And this is actually one of my finest restorations, I think. And I hope that everybody who was requesting this car will be happy with the results, because I am. So guys, if you did like this restoration video, please give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I will appreciate that. And leave me some comments, please. What do you think of this restoration? This is actually the second car from the list, what you requested. So thank you very much for watching, and come back for more next time. Cheers, bye bye.